MCP is one of the most exciting things that's happened in the recent past related to AI agents. And I'm proud to announce today that Portkey fully supports the MCP protocol and is an MCP client. What this means is you can build agents directly through prompts in Portkey. Let's build one. So we're going to build an AI agent that can deploy code to Cloudflare workers and send us a Slack notification when it's done. We start by creating a new prompt. And in this case, I'm going to say, you're a software developer that builds Cloudflare applications. And then I can say that for the given objectives, create working code that can be deployed to Cloudflare workers. And once deployed, send me a Slack notification. I'm going to add tools. So Cloudflare and Slack already have MCP servers available. I can copy them here. You can see there are 3 tools I've added. There is one that puts code on a worker. This one lists Slack channels. And this one can post a message to any Slack channel. Let me also say that I want to send a Slack notification to the Let's Learn channel. And that's it. We essentially created a full-blown AI agent just through this simple prompt. Now we can use the API for this prompt like an agent and build an application that runs through the entire flow. I've created a simple UI that can accept the objective for the Cloudflare assistant. Let's build a simple calculator application. We'll say building a calculator app that can add, multiply, and divide numbers. You can run this assistant, and this is calling the prompt that we just created with our objective. It's actually come back with the code that needs to run on the Cloudflare worker. And then it's automatically calling the tools that we had defined in our prompt. It said that calling CFO put, then it requested a list channels call to Slack. It made a request to post the message to Slack. And then it's giving me the final output. The Cloudflare worker has been successfully deployed. And all of this is me defining an AI through natural language within a Portkey prompt. We track this entire trace we just created. We can do traces in Portkey. This is the latest request that we just made. And it's given us the full trace of what exactly happened with this agent. This was the input request, the first response that came in from the LLM. Because it was a tool called Portkey, executed the Cloudflare worker put call, and it gave us a response. We can also track how long did this entire segment took about 30 seconds, see what's taking time, and where can we start to optimize our AI agent. Portkey is also capturing cost for all of these requests. And because now it's so easy to build an AI agent, you can convert any of your prompts into a full-blown AI agent. So this is launching very soon in production. You can join the waitlist here or request for early access on our Discord server. We're very excited with what you would build with MCP on Portkey's AI Gateway.